as we all know, women are multitaskers. Coming to the point of Florian Foundation, that's my NGO, which has been running since 5 years. One more thing which we look forward is to the transgender community, supporting that community. Slowly and steadily, when I completed my executive MBA from SPGen, so it's amazing digital platform, and I believe this platform is also giving me a lot of visibility.
Hi everyone, welcome to the esteemed FaceTime with Leaders, an initiative by the World Development Corporation. I am esteemed at the World Development Corporation. FaceTime with Leaders is a platform for industry titans to share their experiences, thoughts, ideas, and best practices in order to inspire one another and future leaders. We have one such multi-industry leader and exemplary social entrepreneur on FaceTime with Leaders with us today, Dr. Archunaa Jaiin. She's the founder of Mumbai-based Florian Spa-N-Salon, the Florian Foundation, and the India Brainy Beauty, where pageant shows, award shows, and fashion events are conducted. She's also the editor-in-chief of IBB Chronicles, which is a news portal and a talk show. Additionally, she serves as a council board member of Wiki Maharashtra Information and Broadcasting. Her accomplishments extend to authorship, with notable works including She's Unlimited and Unboxing Beauty. As an entrepreneur and an ardent social activist, she has been selflessly working for the past 3 years to support underprivileged children and women while actively campaigning for their rights. She has successfully completed 3 major projects with the Bombay Times, all supporting the cause of humanity. And in terms of her educational excellence, she has a doctorate in entrepreneurship from JB Harvard Mother Teresa University. Thanks, Archunaa, for joining us today.
Thank you for having me here.
So, how do you bring about harmony between, the different activities that you handle, namely researching the fashion industry, stock market, and the wellness industry? There's also philanthropy, and you also have your council membership at Wiki Maharashtra Information and Broadcasting.
Well, as we all know, women are multitaskers, and that's how it's a really very difficult task to, bring up all these things together. But I believe that I want to do something or the other. It's like I cannot be idle at one place. And for me, my fashion is my passion. And that's how I've landed up into the fashion industry. Coming to the point of the Florian Spa-N-Salon, which is having a chains of spas and salon in Mumbai and Chennai, and I'm doing well in that. And you all know as the wellness sector is booming, and it's a cash-rich business. And probably I meant is like though no credits are involved in it, and it's like everyone wants to be well groomed and look nice and all. So yeah, that's how I balance my this thing. I have a lot of employees working over there, so a proper team of at least 45 team members I have who's been taking care of this thing, Florian Spa-N-Salon. Coming to the point of Florian Foundation, that's my NGO, which has been running since 5 years. Also, I was the president of Giants Group of Mumbai One, which was under the Shina NC. And it was an amazing experience to, do the social work, which is because it's always said you need to contribute in the society. That's how I look forward to it. And fashion is something in a year we come to the event of 2 to 3 events we do, so that's how I balance smoothly everything, and it's easy to manage.
Wow, you're making it sound like it's easy to manage. I'm very sure it's not something that everyone can take up on their plate. It's really inspiring. Our viewers would like to know more about your entrepreneurship at Florian Spa-N-Salon, the Florian Foundation, and the India Brainy Pageant Show. If you can just tell us more about how
So
the
yeah,
journey started for you.
so India Brainy Beauty is a pageant show, as I mentioned. It's a platform which I have created because I had won a crown in 2019 as Miss India Curvy, and that's how that idea came up into my mind. Like, why not? I need to create such platform where all the individuals, whether it is men, women, come up with their own talent. So this is a platform where age, weight, height, skin color, language is not a barrier, and anyone can participate on this platform. And since 3 years, we have been doing all the shows with Bombay Times Fashion Week. We are opening the show, and beautifully, all the dignitaries walk this platform, like Manju Lodha, probably a lot of Mangal Prabhat Lodha and big personalities come on the board and they walk the ramp to just bring the change in the society that we all have the potential within us. We just need to shine out bright. So yeah, that's how this is the
I think it's a
platform.
much needed initiative, and we have to move forward from the stereotypical definition of beauty
Yes,
that
breaking all
exists.
the stereotypes. Absolutely.
Yeah, I think it's amazing. What do you consider to be your greatest contribution in social services?
Oh, so we have been doing a lot of projects in the social thing, and major project which we look forward is for the underprivileged kids, which is the nutrition project, because there are a lot of rural areas where they really don't know what to eat and what kind of protein or nutrition is required for their body. So that's how we plan in a year approximately, no, in a month approximately two projects. And one more thing which we look forward is to the transgender community, supporting that community, because there are a lot of things, we focus on education, we focus on medical, we focus on environmental, but what about that community? And you can see that a lot of hotel industries like Leela Hotel or Lalit Hotel, they have been bringing on board transgender community, and they've been working as the waitress or probably the back end office. So that's how we also look forward. We give them their placements, or we try to help them out with new learnings or skills so that they can have their own bread and butter. So that's the main focus of Florian Foundation. One is the nutrition project, Happy Meal, Happy Kids, and one is of the transgender community.
That's amazing to know. And given your social leanings, your interest in ESG is very, very obvious. Could you let our viewers know how and when you developed this interest in corporate governance?
So I never honestly thought about it, but I slowly and steadily, when I completed my executive MBA from SPGen, and then I thought we need to do something for the society and a lot of things. So as the slowly my business grows up, and when I came into the wellness industry, there are a lot of pros and cons. So we need to look forward to the sustainable things and the low cost, the negative low cost acquisitions, and a lot of things. So I shifted from using the towels and everything to the disposable products. Say no to plastic. One of the important thing which I look forward to. That's for the beauty industry. And when it comes to the NGO thing, so I feel there are major projects which we need to look after. As we can see, infrastructure is developing, and we need fresh air. हम लोग hotels भाग जाते, resort भाग जाते, for all those peace and everything. But I think we really need to focus is on the environment, and that's how we also look forward of planting lots and lots of trees, so that the the balance is, a balance. There's a balance between everything. That's how is the contribution which we make.
And as an ESG and corporate governance expert, what values do you bring to the table?
My values, that's tough question, but yeah, my value is something very clear that, uh, you know, it's like stay clean. So make sure the environment is clean. It's not you are dependent on someone else, probably, but you need to make sure that that habits begin from you. And we need to make sure that in schools, we have been taught converting the best from the waste. So it's a simple strategy. वो foundation हम भूल जाते हैं, but it's a combination of everything. That's the simple thing, how things can be balanced and brought forward.
Correct. Change has to begin at home. So that's very true. What changes do you expect to see with the advent of IoT, AI, machine learning, blockchain, big data, Web 3.0 in the corporate world?
So, well, I'm not from the IT industry, but so far as I'm from the fashion industry, so of course, Facebook, coming to the point of Facebook, Insta, social media, it's going boom day by day. So it's like if I research about one product, coming to the big data, if I research about one product or one transaction is done related to one particular product, uske hum 50 ads dekh lete hain. Yeah, all of a sudden those ads keep popping up, and so that's how the big data is working. And when we'll come to the language, about the NL language. It's amazing, Alexa. Like half of the work is done through Alexa, not by us. So
Yeah.
I feel human intelligence matter, and also the AI intelligence matter. But I believe at the end of the day, how you balance between both of them. And soon we are going to be in the chip world rather than, half of the things are going to be done by the chip. So it's amazing. It's fantastic for
Yeah.
future.
It's making
And of course,
everything.
government is supporting Digital India. So we all have to go digital.
There's no way out.
Yeah.
That's true. So we are building a community of industry magnets. This move is meant for cross-pollination of knowledge and for building a knowledge-sharing community of corporate giants and industry experts. What are your thoughts, Archana, about this initiative taken by Mr. Zishan Pathan, Mr. Heval Mehta, and the whole World Development Corporation team?
Well, this is a beautiful initiative taken by the Director Institute because, as I mentioned, I have done my global financial management from Bombay Stock Exchange. Then I did my executive MBA from SP Jain. So there are a lot to learn. It's like learning ki koi, age nahi hoti. You all have to keep brushing up. And I found this course very, very interesting. The program is very interesting. The way the modules are set up, it's like a finishing touch to me, and that's how I have landed up here. The way the community, the industries, a lot of industry people are coming from the different industry on the board, sharing their inputs and outputs, and that's how we all will grow. So for me, it's an amazing experience to be here. And of course, as you know that I am the editor of IBB Chronicles, the World of Inspiration. So I've been with a lot of industrialists. And I have taken their interviews, whether it is related to technology, pharmaceuticals, IT company. So it's amazing digital platform, and I believe this platform is also giving me a lot of visibility.
I'm so happy you had a very enriching experience. Thank you so much for
Thank
conversing
you.
with me. And I'm sure that your insights are going to just inspire our future leaders a lot. I wish you all the best for your future
Thank
endeavors.
you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here
Yeah.
with me today.
Thank you.